Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Dubai's Kunafa Chocolate. Step 1. Making creamy pistachio butter. In a milk pan, add 70 ml double or fresh cream. Add 50 ml milk. Add 100 grams white chocolate. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Cook well until it melts. Keep aside until it's cooled down completely. Now in a blender jar, add 100 grams pistachio. Add quarter cup powdered sugar. Pinch of salt. Blend well. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 tablespoon coconut or any cooking oil. Pour room temperature white chocolate ganache mixture into the blender. Blend well. Add white chocolate ganache into the batches. Blend until form a smooth paste. Your freshly creamy pistachio butter is ready. I want a little pouring consistency in this recipe, so I kept it like this. If you want spreadable consistency, add less ganache. Remove in a jar. There is no need to buy from the supermarket. You can keep in the refrigerator up to 1 to 2 weeks. This doesn't harden in the refrigerator, spread on bread and have it, or use in desserts. Whenever you want, just give it a quick stir and enjoy it. Step 2. Making kunafa stuffing. Chop some Knafeh kunafa dough. Instead, you can use vermicelli. Melt some butter in a pan. Put chopped kunafa dough. Roast well. Roast until crispy golden brown. Remove in a bowl. Pour creamy pistachio butter. Mix well. Pour some more. Adjust the consistency. If you want the exact same, add a little amount of green food color, it's totally optional. Make sure consistency is not too thick, if you want to do that iconic break. Consistency should be like this. Step 3. Preparing chocolate. Now take your white chocolate. Add some butter. Melt in the microwave with a 20-second break and check in between to avoid burning. Mix well. Again, microwave for 20 seconds. Or you can do the double boiler technique. Chocolate is completely melts. Pour melted chocolate in 2 separate bowls. Add green gel food color. Mix well. It will give the exact same look. In another bowl, add yellow gel food color. Mix well. Both colored chocolates are ready to drizzle. Now drizzle green colored melted chocolate in the mold. Drizzle yellow chocolate to make that original pattern. Keep in the refrigerator for 5 minutes until sets. Meanwhile, melt the milk chocolate. Take 200 grams of milk chocolate. Melt in the microwave for 20 seconds. Again, melt for 20 more seconds. Check in between to avoid burning. Stir well. Chocolate has melted well. Pour melted milk chocolate over the drizzle pattern. Spread the chocolate. Coat the entire mold with it. Give it a tap and refrigerate until it's set. Pistachio kunafa consistency should be like this. Once the chocolate has set, put the crispy kunafa pistachio filling in the middle. Spread out evenly. Again, pour melted milk chocolate over it. Spread carefully. Make sure chocolate covers the entire mold. Again, keep in the refrigerator one last time until chocolate is firm. Unmold the chocolate. No worries if you have extras that tastes delicious too. You have to trim the extras. So, heat up the knife to remove the extras. It will come out easily. Our chocolate is trimmed well. Do the iconic break. Do try and enjoy. I will give you one suggestion. Must try this recipe in white chocolate. I made chocolate balls from leftover stuffing and coated with white chocolate, and that tastes too good. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.